Aloha! In this video you will learn how to use the Book a Large Facility template. This template requires requests to be submitted 21 business days in advance and is used for events held in the Ballroom, CAC Arena, McKay Gymnasium, McKay Auditorium, and the Aloha Plaza. The spaces do not include setup items, so please be sure to add all required items when creating your reservation. Read about for details using this template. If your event does not meet the required criteria, follow the instructions in About for what to do when needing to schedule a date prior to the allowable booking date. If it does meet the criteria, close About and click Book Now. Complete all required fields marked with an asterisk. The Hawaii time zone is already set. Select the building you want by clicking on Add Remove, then on Update Location. If the space is available, it will appear right away. To view details about a space, click the name of the space. You can see the setup types, the features, the images, and the availability. To select the space, click the green plus sign next to the room name and enter the number of attendees expected. Next, choose the setup type you want. If you select See Attached Diagram, please upload a layout showing how you like the space setup. Make sure to include all details and instructions on the map. If the map is unclear, we will contact you for clarification. Click Add Room, then select Next Step. Add all items needed for your event. Be aware of the available inventory and make sure your map matches your selections. When you're done adding all your items, click Next Step. Enter all required event details. The event name, the event type, the group, and the contact. If someone isn't listed as your contact in your group, choose Temporary Contact and enter their information. This space is where you can upload your map. Complete the additional information section, providing a clear and detailed description of your event. Once all information is correct and complete, click Create Reservation. You will receive an email summary of your request recapping what you selected. University Scheduling will review your request and contact you if there are any questions. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation that includes room access details and usage rules. Bring a copy of your confirmation at your event and use the contact numbers listed for assistance with specific issues. If you have any questions, contact University Scheduling at 808-675-3780, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., excluding weekends, holidays, and Tuesday devotionals at 11 a.m. Or email universityscheduling@byuh.edu and we will be happy to assist you. Mahalo!